Hello, in this video, we are going to see how to extract arrays to columns using Pandas library in Python. All the reference to the libraries and code snippets that are used in this video are provided in the description. Let's see how to perform this. We use kandi to find our code snippets. Go to kandi.openweaver.com. In our case, we are going to search for pandas extract array to columns. We can see multiple code snippet recommendations here. We'll pick the first one, which uses this pandas library. But before going ahead, please make sure that you have this library installed. If not, get it from kandi. You can copy this installation script from here. Now, I'm going to copy the code. Going to paste it into my IDE. Remove this following lines of outputs. Now, let's take a look at the code. We need to import pandas library, and then we have a data frame with two columns foo and bar, which contains a list of integer for each rows of a data frame. And then in this concat function, the first object being concatenated is a data frame which we have defined here, and second object is the result of calling this apply function on the bar column after removing it from a data frame using this pop function. And this apply function has an argument of pd.series, which is used to transform the bar column as a pandas series. And this add prefix method is to add the prefix for all the bar column names in the series. Finally, this concat function is called with these two objects along with this access parameter as one. So it will be concatenated horizontally. Now I'm going to run the code. Here is the output, which data frame is splitted into a separate columns with the prefix added to this bar columns. Thank you.